guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will share with you our trip to Gitgit Dukuh Waterfall, located 19 kilometers from Ulun Beratan temple. On the way to the waterfall, you can also cover Handara gate. This is the newest waterfall open to the public. It will take maximum 30 minutes to reach the Gitgit Dukuh Waterfall from the parking area. It is a quiet and peaceful location to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Do like and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.